friends!
Hi!
Welcome to class! Today, we're going to learn all about farms, the letter F, and farm animals!
We get to go to a real farm!
We're going on a field trip!
Hey, I can't wait to meet an octopus!
Herbie, there will not be an octopus on the farm.
No?
No.
No.
Can you help Herbie? What are some animals that live on a farm? Yeah, a cow.
Mm.
Oh yeah,
Right.
moo. And a duck.
Oh, a duck!
Yeah.
Quack, quack!
Quack, 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 quack. And a horse.
Neigh!
And a pig. Good job.
Oink,
Oink, oink, oink, oink.
oink, oink.
Let's practice singing a song together.
Okay.
You fill it in. E-I-E-I.
Q.
Herbie, that's silly. Let's try again.
Okay.
E-I-E-I.
W.
We need your help. You fill it in. E-I-E-I. Oh, you did
that's
it. Thank you for helping Herbie. Hey, let's sing the whole song together.
Yeah!
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
And on that farm he had a cow.
E-I-E-I-O.
With a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there.
Here a moo, there a moo.
Everywhere a moo-moo.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O. With an oink oink here and an oink oink there. Here an oink, there an oink, everywhere an oink oink. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Old MacDonald had a farm.
E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a horse, E-I-E-I-O. With a neigh-neigh here and a neigh-neigh there.
Here a neigh, there a neigh, everywhere a neigh-neigh. Old MacDonald had a farm.
E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
And on that farm he had a chicken.
E-I-E-I-O.
With a cluck cluck here and a cluck cluck there.
Here a cluck,
there a cluck,
everywhere a cluck cluck. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a sheep, E-I-E-I-O. With a ba-ba here and a ba-ba there. Here a ba, there a ba, everywhere a ba-ba. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
And on that farm he had a duck.
E-I-E-I-O. With a quack quack here and a quack quack there. Here a quack, there a quack, everywhere a quack quack. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Hi, Farmer LJ.
Hi, Rachel. Hi, Herbie. Hi, friends.
We're so excited to see your farm!
Hey, I'm so glad you're here.
Thank you for having us.
What's in the basket?
Oh, what's that?
I just picked some farm fresh eggs.
Wow!
Are these like the eggs we eat at home?
Just like them.
Wow.
Same thing.
Should we count the eggs?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Okay. I'll hold them and you can count them.
Okay, I'll try. 1, 2, 3. Pickle. No.
That's not right, Herbie.
Oh yeah. Okay. Let's try again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Wow, Oh, there are 5 eggs.
5 eggs.
What is a farm? What is a farm? Yeah, a farm is an area of land used for growing food and raising animals. Have you ever been to a farm? Wow! What's that? Yes, it's a barn. It's a red barn. Wow, what's that sound? What's that sound? I hear animals. I hear animals. Let's say open, please, and see what animal comes out of the barn. Say it with me. Open, please. Oh, wow. It's a cow. It's a cow. I have an idea. Let's pretend to be cows eating grass. Pretend with me. Yummy grass. Moo, moo, moo. This is yummy grass, isn't it?
Is that a real chicken?
This is Debbie.
It's Debbie? Hi, Debbie. What does Debbie like to eat?
Debbie eats corn.
I like corn. Debbie, we have so much in common. Do you have breakfast at the table, Debbie?
Debbie eats breakfast on the ground.
Oh, on the
She
ground?
scratches for her food.
Oh, wow. Like this?
Yeah.
There was a farmer, had a dog, and Bingo was his name. Oh, B-I-N-G-O, 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 and Bingo was his name. Oh, there was a farmer, had a dog, and Bingo was his name. Oh, I-N-G-O, 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 and Bingo was his name. Oh, there was a farmer, had a dog, and Bingo was his name. Oh, N-G-O, 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 and Bingo was his name. Oh, there was a farmer, had a dog, and Bingo was his name. Oh, G-O, 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 and Bingo was his name. Oh, there was a farmer, had a dog, and Bingo was his name. Oh, 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 and Bingo was his name. Oh, there was a farmer, had a dog, and Bingo was his name. Oh, and Bingo was his name. Oh, I wonder what animal will come out next. Let's say open, please. We want to open the barn. Open, please. Oh, wow. It's a pig. It's a pig. Wow.
Oink.
Oink, 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 oink.
Let's pretend to roll in the mud like pigs. We're pigs rolling in the mud. Oink, oink, oink. Oink, oink, oink. Oink, oink, oink. We're pigs in the mud. This is a miniature horse. Let's feed it. Put out your hand. Oh, we're feeding the miniature horse. That tickles. What do you say, horse? What does a horse say? Yeah, neigh, neigh. Let's talk to the horse. Hi, horse. Neigh, neigh. Good job. What color is this horse? Yeah, it's white and brown. It's a beautiful horse.
Do you ride the horses?
I do.
Wow.
Would you like to ride Lobo?
Could I?
You can.
Yeah. Lobo, can I ride you? I think he said yes. Okay, let's go. Whee! Yeehaw! Whee!
Do you like it, Herbie?
Yeah, this is so much fun. Woohoo!
Hey, what's the number of the day? Let's figure it out by counting these tractors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 tractors. The number of the day is 6. Nice job.
Let's see what animal is next. Say open, please, with me. Open, please. Wow, it's a duck. It's a duck.
Quack,
Can you pretend to be a duck with me?
quack,
Quack, quack, quack.
quack,
Quack, quack, quack. We're ducks. Quack, quack, quack. Quack, 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 quack. Now let's pretend to be ducks swimming. Swim. Swimming in the pond. Good job.
A square is my name, a square is my name, a square is my name, and all my sides are the same. There's 4 sides to me, there's 4 sides to me, there's 4 sides to me, yes, I'm as square as can be.
Farmer LJ, do you feed all the animals?
Every day.
Wow. It must take a lot of work to take care of the animals.
It is a lot of work to be a farmer.
Wow. What else do you have to do?
You have to clean their stall
Oh, cleaning.
and their homes.
Yeah.
Give them lots of water.
Water.
And love.
Oh, yeah, lots of love. That would be my job. If I was on a farm, I'd give lots of love.
You would be so good at that, Herbie.
I could also sing the cleanup song.
We could do that too.
Yeah. We have to take care of the animals. Just like your grown-ups take care of you. I'll bet the animals love you too.
I feel it.
Yeah.
There's one more animal in our barn. Let's see what the last animal is. Open, please. The barn door opened, and it's a horse. It's a horse. Let's gallop around like horses. Come on. Neigh, neigh. Good job. Neigh, neigh. It's fun to gallop like a horse. Good job. What does a horse eat?
She eats hay, And apples and carrots.
Yum!
Apples are her favorite.
Do you like apples and carrots?
Hey, Lobo, what do you call a horse who lives next door? A neighbor, right? Is that what you call them?
Who takes care of the crops and the animals? Yes! The farmer! You got it! It's the farmer. The farmer has so much important work to do. Farms are where almost all of our food comes from. We're so thankful to our farmers. Let's say, thank you, farmers. Thank you, farmers. Do you know what animal this is?
That's right, kids, a sheep.
It's a sheep. Do you know what comes from sheep?
That's right, wool.
Yeah, what can we make with wool? Maybe a sweater? Yeah. Or socks? Friends, what does the sheep say? Yeah, ba, ba, ba. Good job.
Can you eat some food? Yeah, yummy.
Well,
Oh, that tickles.
Let's sing Mary Had a Little Lamb. Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb whose fleece was white as snow. Everywhere that Mary went, Mary went, Mary went. Everywhere that Mary went, that lamb was sure to go. All right, sing with me now. Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb whose fleece was white as snow. Everywhere that Mary went, Mary went, Mary went. Everywhere that Mary went, that lamb was sure to go.
Do goats lay eggs?
No.
No. What do goats do on the farm?
The goats eat weeds.
Oh. Do goats give milk?
Some do.
What's that sound? Is that a chicken?
It's a chicken.
Bark, 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 bark. Listen, I can make a chicken sound. Bark, 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 bark.
That's great.
I speak chicken. Did you know that?
I didn't.
Yeah.
So good.
Bark, 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 bark. What sound does a goat make?
Oh, the goat goes, ah.
Eh. Let's do that. Ready? Eh. That's funny. Goats are funny. Do the goats have names?
They do.
What are their names?
We have Romeo and Juliet.
Oh, I think I've heard those names before. Nope, never heard them.
Oh no! We need to help these animals get back to their homes. Can you help me? Can you help me? Thank you. Oh, it's an octopus. Does an octopus live in the ocean or at the farm? Yes, in the ocean. There he goes. Yay! Oh, a cow. Does a cow live in the ocean or at the farm? Yes, at the farm. Bye, cow. You live at the farm. Oh, a fish. Does the fish live in the ocean or at the farm? Yes, in the ocean. The fish swims in the ocean. Good job. Oh, I see a pig. I see a pig. Do you think the pig goes in the ocean? Or does the pig live at the farm? Yes, at the farm. Pigs like the farm. Good job. Whoa! Whoa! It's a big whale, the biggest animal in the world. Do you think the whale goes in the ocean or at the farm? Yes, in the ocean. Good job. We're almost done sorting the animals. Oh, the last one is a horse. Does the horse go in the ocean or at the farm? You got it right, at the farm. You did it. I'm so proud of you. You sorted all the animals, and they're so happy to be back in their homes.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Wow, it's a tractor. I'm going to get on the tractor. Here I go. Wow, now I'm on the tractor. I'm going to pretend to drive. Can you pretend to drive a tractor with me? Good job! What color is this tractor? Yeah, it's green and yellow. Awesome! Wow, what color is this tractor? Yeah, this is the color red. What color is this one? Yeah, it's got yellow and white. Good job! Drive with me.
Let's do a farm pattern. Small, large, small, large, small. What comes next? That's right, large. Good job.
Rhymes are words that sound the same at the end.
Yeah.
Let's jump when we hear a rhyme.
Okay, let's jump.
Okay.
Okay, I'm ready.
House and mouse.
Oh, yeah. Oh, Miss Rachel.
Yes?
I've got one.
Great.
What about barn and cow?
Oh, no, those don't rhyme.
No,
They don't
no,
sound the same at the end.
Those don't rhyme. They don't sound the same at the end.
How about barn and yarn?
Yeah, those rhyme.
That was fun.
Miss Rachel,
Yeah?
I've got one.
Okay.
What about horse and hat?
No, those don't sound the
those-
same at the end.
Those
but
don't
good
sound
try.
the same. Hmm.
Yeah. How about hat, cat?
Yeah, those rhyme. Those rhyme don't sound the same at the
Good
end.
job. Yeah, good one.
What about a dog and a frog on a log start a blog?
Yay!
Yeah,
that's
those rhyme.
right.
I did it. What's a blog?
I wonder what the color of the day is. Can you help me ask our magic slide? Yes? Great. Let's say, what's the color of the day, Slide? Help me. What's the color of the day, Slide? Oh, wow! It's pink. The color of the day is pink. Wonderful! Can you think of any farm animal that's pink? Yes! Pigs are pink! Pigs are pink! Hooray! Pink is the color of the day.
Mystery letter, mystery letter, what's it gonna be? Mystery letter, learning our letters from A to Z.
Can you help me figure out the letter of the day? Let's look at the clues in the mystery box. Feather and fence. What letter says? I think you're right. Let's check it. F is a letter. F is the sound that it makes. F is a letter. Goes the F. You got it. You figured out the mystery letter. F.
It's time for a magic movie! What exactly is a tractor? A tractor is a strong vehicle. Can you say vehicle? Vehicle. Vehicle. Tractors help the farmers take care of the farm. Tractors pull plows and other farm machines. Who do tractors help? Can you remember? Who do tractors help? Tractors help the farmer. Yeah, they help the farmer. Great job. Do you know what kind of flower this is? Yeah, it's a sunflower.
What do you have here?
This is our honey, Herbie.
I love honey. Where did you get it? At the store?
This honey comes from our honeybees on the farm.
I see a lot of bees.
Those are our honeybees.
Wow! Can you make your hand a beehive? Good job! Here is the beehive, but where are the bees? Hidden away where nobody sees. Watch and you'll see them come out of the hive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bzzz. Can you buzz around like a bee? Bzzz. Let's do that again. Here is the beehive, but where are the bees? Hidden away where nobody sees. Watch and you'll see them come out of the hive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bzzz. Bzzz. We're bees. Bzzz.
Hi, friends. My name is Erin. Wow. It's a beautiful day here at the farm. I see a duck. I see a cow. I'm hungry. I want an apple. I like the farm.
Let's pretend to be a seed. How could we make ourselves look like seeds? That's a good idea. Get into a little tiny ball. We're tiny little seeds. What do we need to grow? What do we need to grow? We need water, light, and the right temperature. Let's jump into some really wet soil. That will be a great place to grow. Can you jump with me? Ready, set, go! We're in the soil. Oh, it's so nice and moist in here. It's raining! Hooray! We love rain! Now we're breaking open. We're pushing down. It's our root. Wow! Now we're pushing up. We're growing up, up, up. Oh, feel that sun. We love the nice warm sun. We're growing more and more leaves. We're getting taller and taller. We're growing into a plant. And now we're growing corn. We're growing our own corn. Wow! Stretch towards the sun. Hooray! We became corn. Great job! It was so fun growing into a plant with you.
Welcome to the letter garden. Here we are famous for our begonias. Let's pick all the flowers that have a lowercase f on them. We'll start with the red ones. Which flower has the letter F on it? Yes, that's it. You picked the right one. Great job. Now let's try to find the F in the purple row of flowers. Wow, there sure are a lot to choose from. Do you see the lowercase f? Wonderful! You found the flower with the lowercase f. Nice! You're doing so great. Can you find the F in these yellow flowers? Yes, there! You did fantastic! What a fine, fresh bouquet of a few flowers. Hey, let's give them to a friend. Giving is such a fabulous feeling.
Let's pretend to work on the farm with Mr. Aaron. Gather some eggs. How many eggs did you get? Wow! Open the barn. Good job. Feed the horse an apple. Good job. Now pretend to wash the pigs. He's getting a cloth. Good job, Mr. Aaron. Whoa! Sprinkle food for the chickens. Good job. Pick some corn. Drive the tractor, Mr. Aaron. Milk the cow. Jump in the hay, Mr. Aaron. Ready, set, go! Good job, Mr. Aaron.
Mr. Angelo,
Yes, Herbie?
do you have farms in the Philippines?
Well, the Philippines is actually a perfect place for farming.
Oh.
Yeah, because we have a lot of sunlight, water, and soil.
Oh, I love soil.
Well, we farm a lot of coconuts, rice, and sugar.
I love coconuts.
Do you want to learn the Tagalog word for coconuts?
Yes.
Okay, say it with me. It's
Okay.
buko.
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 So now, do you love coconuts, Hervey?
I love buko.
Me too!
Me 3.
Hey, Farmer LJ, what's in here?
This is our peacock house. And we have baby peachocks.
Baby peachocks? Wow!
Do you want to see them?
I do! Do you guys want to come? Let's go! Oh, I see 2 peacocks. 1, 2.
They spread their feathers out when they want to get someone's attention, like a peahen.
There's the peahen with her peachocks.
They sleep under mama at night.
That's so sweet. It's another peacock.
This is Buttercup.
Hi, Buttercup.
You want to try to feed them? Make your hand nice and flat like a pancake.
Oh, wow.
Try it.
Can you try that at home? Pretend you're feeding an animal and put your hand nice and flat like a pancake. Wow, good job. You did it. Get out your 5 little ducks. Good job. 5 little ducks went out one day over the hill and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 but only 4 little ducks came back. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 little ducks went out one day over the hill and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 but only 3 little ducks came back. 1, 2, 3. 3 little ducks went out one day over the hill and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 but only 2 little ducks came back. 1, 2. 2 little ducks went out one day over the hill and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 but only 1 little duck came back. Can you show me one? Just one finger. 1 little duck went out one day over the hill and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 but none of the 5 little ducks came back. Mother duck is feeling very sad. Sad mother duck went out one day over the hill and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 and all of the 5 little ducks came back. Yay! The duck found its mama.
Hi, Lobo. Okay, where do horses go when they're sick? To the hospital! Get it? Hospital?
Say go, and the pig will make a noise. Ready, set, go! Oh, that scared me. Oh, whoa! Ah! That surprised me. So surprised. Surprise! Surprise! So surprised. The itsy bitsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again. Let's do more. Let's do that again. The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again. Great job with your spider!
Woo! Are you okay, Herbie?
Yeah, I'm just tired from working on my ant farm.
You have an ant farm?
Yeah, I have an uncle farm too.
3 hungry ants marching in a line. They come upon a picnic where they can dine. They march into the salad. They march into the cake. They march into the pepper. Uh-oh, that's a mistake. What? 2 hungry ants marching in a line. They come upon a picnic where they can dine. They march into the salad. They march into the cake. They march into the pepper. Uh-oh, that's a mistake. 1 hungry ant marching in a line. He comes upon a picnic where he can dine. He marches to the salad. He marches to the cake. He marches to the pepper. Uh-oh, that's a mistake.
Do you want to learn some farm signs together? Ready? Cow. Cow. Duck. Duck. Pig. Pig. Food. Food. Eggs. Eggs. Animals. Animals. Goat. Goat.
Can you help me feed Juliet the goat? We put out our hand. Oh, it tickles, but it's so much fun to feed a goat. Bye-bye, goat. That was so fun.
Horse. Horse. Chicken. Chicken. Rooster. Rooster. Sheep. Sheep. Farm. Farm. Farmer. Farmer.
We had such a great time at the Bee Hugger Farm.
Yeah, thanks so much for having us.
Thanks for coming. I'm so grateful.
Thank you, LJ.
That was so fun not meeting an octopus at the farm.
That was such a fun day. We learned all about farms and the sound the letter F makes. And we learned that most of our food comes from farms.
Yeah, and the color pink, and how a seed grows, and a lot of other things I forgot.
You did such a great job learning with us today. I'm proud of you. Let's sing our bye-bye song. We'll see you again real soon.